Hello, I'm Piali. Welcome back to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you have not subscribed already. It will only take 1 second of yours to just hit that small red icon which writes subscribe, but it's going to make a world's difference for me. So friends, do please subscribe. This video is all about kohl or kajal or black eyeliner, whatever you call them. I've been using kajal for almost 25 years now, and I think whatever is available in Indian market, I must have used or tried all of them. Because I'm forever on the lookout for a good smudge-proof kajal, because my eyes are very sensitive, very watery. My criteria of selecting this are number 1, it should be smudge-proof. Number 2, it should be long-lasting. Number 3, it should be water-resistant. Number 4, it should not have more chemicals. Number 5, it should be pitch black. Number 6, it should be creamy, easy to glide on my eyes. I've tried to share a mini review along with the pros and cons of all these 17 eyeliners. I've also categorized them into 3 different categories. Number 1, which is okay or fair. Number 2, which is good. And number 3, which is the wow or the excellent category. As we go along, I'll be telling you why each of them fall into their category. The first one which made into this okay category is this one. This is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. It's a very good eyeliner from its price point of view, but see, it's very black, very long lasting, but after about 2 hours, small specks of coarse particles which gets into the eyes and irritates. Second one which belongs to the category is Maybelline Tattoo Liner. This is again very good smudge-proof, long-lasting, water-resistant liner. But again, it has a tendency of drying up a little too much. It becomes a little patchy like this. The third one is the Kiko Milano eyeliner, black eyeliner. It is again very good. It's smudge-proof, long-lasting. It is also water-resistant, but at the same time, it dries off a little too much and it becomes a little uncomfortable after 3 to 4 hours. The fourth one which belongs to this category is the Dior eyeliner in black. This is a very pricey, and it belongs to this category because with respect to the price, it did not meet my expectations. You can see that it's not the blackest or the pitch black. I expected a little more time for it to last. Within 5 hours, I should say, it starts fading off. Next product in this category is this Smashbox black eyeliner pencil, which is very black, very creamy. Perhaps the most blackest of this entire range. Very creamy, but it was not very long lasting, and with this price point, I think a little more is expected. The last one into this category is the MAC engraved eyeliner in black, and the last one is the MAC one, and it's very long lasting. It is water resistant, it is pitch black, but then again it is little too dry for my requirement. Now that we have finished the okay category, let's get on with the good category. These are all good eyeliner which have met all the requirements, but then something is lacking. Some teeny tiny thing is lacking. There's not a wow factor. So I'll start the first one from my Glam, a black gel eyeliner pencil. Jet black eyeliner pencil is super creamy, pitch black, water resistant, but not as long stay as I wanted it to. The second product which made into this category is Nykaa IM black eyeliner. It's pitch black, it's water resistant, it's very creamy, it's super easy to glide, and it smudges off only after 5 to 6 hours, I must say, but it finishes off like mad. If you apply kajal for every day, I don't think it's going to last you for more than 8 to 9 days, so that is why it's in the good category. The third one to this category is this one, Sugar Intense Black Blackout Kajal. This is again with respect to its price point. I should say it's a very, very, very good product. I'll show you. This is the one. It's very nice. It's very creamy. It stays on for very long. It is smudge proof. It is transfer proof. It is water resistant, but it is not as black as I expect it to be. The fourth one in this category, the Lakme Absolute Kohl Intense Kajal in black. The long-lasting, smudge-proof, water-resistant, but again it lacks that pitch black, blackest black thing. The last one to this category is a new entrant. This is the MAC New Intense Kajal Pencil, and it is like this. Can you see this? This is again very good, very creamy, very nice to glide on the eyes, but not as long lasting as I expect it to be. So here comes the last long awaited excellent category, or the wow category. The first one, this is the Max Factor. This is the Max Factor black eyeliner or the Kajal pencil. I'll show you. This is so good. With the price point, I think this is one of the best thing in the market. It stays on for long. It is smudge proof. It is waterproof. It is long lasting. It is very creamy. It's one of the blackest liners. The second one to this excellent category is Nykaa Black Magic Eyeliner. This is one of the blackest black, creamiest, long stain and most smudge proof and transfer proof liner. The third one in the wow category is the Too Faced Killer Kajal. This is newly introduced to the market. This is one of the most black and long stain Kajal eyeliner. This is the one. This is black, creamy and long staying, and once it dries off, it stays just like the same. It has been applied like. The fourth one in the wow category is this one. This is MAC Graph Black Technicolor Eyeliner. This is the best one which I have experienced till now. This is the one. It is very black, very creamy, stays on for long, doesn't get transferred, smudge proof, and it gives me the most comfortable feeling in my eyes. The last one in wow category is this one. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Eyeliner in Onyx, and it is like this. This is again very black, pure black. It is very creamy. It is super long lasting. It is smudge proof, water resistant. It is the Rimmel 24-hour waterproof kajal, and it is this. This is the one I have applied today on my eyes. Now let's check all of them against the claims. I'm just putting few drops of water. See that how water is sitting over each of the eyeliner pencils. Now I'll also try to see how transfer proof they are. See, I have tried to wipe them off with the tissue paper. You can hear the sound also. I'm continuously wiping it. After so many rubs, you can see a little bit, very little. This is the tissue paper. All the products and the description along with the prices will be linked below in the description box. You can check them. I hope you enjoyed this video and benefit something out of my experience of using so many kajals. I have tried to bring forth all the eyeliner pencils or the kajals which I use on a regular basis. Hope you like it. please subscribe my channel, and till the next video, bye.